'Cause it's just loose lips. I chat better than I sing, so go ahead and enjoy.
You were on the James Corden show, which I just thought was bonkers.
Yeah,
You
there
know,
was an Aston Villa sticker on the middle of the dance floor at the James Corden. I thought you'd like that. Yeah, I stole one of his cards actually. It was on a shelf. It said, one of his cue cards.
yeah.
I've got it over here. I nicked it.
Ray, look at this. Go on, Bowers lad.
Let me ask you a question. I've got a few here. I think this was when he was interviewing Christina Applegate.
Okay, yeah, I've got time for her, me. She's
Have
one of
you?
a Corning Stone.
Yeah, it's quite strange. I don't think I've ever really read these, but yeah. Reggie's question, he was great. Reggie Watts was hosting the jam band there. You must know Reggie.
Yeah.
Just powerhouse, yeah. So I was really excited to be there and see him leading the charge. That was pretty cool. That was probably my highlight of the day.
'Cause it's just loose lips.